How to add new groups in Notion. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you could easily create and add new group button. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots option that we have over here and click on properties. As you can see right now, I already have multi-select here, but to be able to add multi-select into your properties here, simply click on plus new property and click on multi-select. After ensuring that you now have multi-select on your properties, what we could do is we could click on the three dots again, and over here, click on a group. As you can see here, it's currently grouped by multi-select. So normally it's going to be on status, as you can see here. So you're going to change that into multi-select. And after that, you can simply click on the plus button over here, which will now allow you to create groups. So we could say group 1 for this one. When done, then click on plus again, group 2, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.